Good afternoon. This is Devraj from Avinash College of Commerce. Now, I'm explaining about correlation, and before that, everyone subscribes this channel. Okay, I'll explain the correlation. Okay, in statistics, correlation means what? The relationship between the two groups of related variables. Relationship between two groups of related variables, which is called as a correlation. Just we are finding the relation. Whatever the information you take, that is in between prices of tea or prices of coffee. For example, that is the different products of prices of the different products of tea and prices of different products of coffee. Just we are finding the relationship between the two groups of related variables, which is called as correlation, right? And it is denoted by R. Not only this, if you observe students. So in a class, there are the 50 students are there. That 50 students marks, accountancy marks and statistics marks, English marks or else Telugu, like that English and Telugu, accounts and statistics, statistics and Telugu, like that. We are finding the relation to groups of related variables, okay, which is called the correlation. It is denoted by R. And the calculation of this correlation may be in the negative or positive. Whatever the relation we are finding, that max percentage is 100. Maybe in the negative or maybe in the positive. 100 nothing but minus 1 and plus 1. Correlation always lies in between minus 1 and plus 1. Cannot exceed more than 1. 1 into 100 becomes 100%. Okay. For example, that is we got the relation as 0.99 into 100, which is 99%. Cannot exceed 100%. Okay. 0.99. It cannot exceed 1. 1.01, 1.03, that cannot be called as a correlation, right? So these calculations can be classified into, correlation can be calculated in three ways. One is Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. First one, Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Second one, rank correlation. Third one, concurrent deviation method. Okay, and fourth one, scatter diagram also there, but mainly we have to learn fourth, which is scatter diagram. But as per our syllabus, we are having, so these are the main important topics are three. One is the Karl Pearson, second one is the rank, and third one is the concurrent. Karl Pearson, again it can be classified into the direct method. Second one is the shortcut or indirect method. It is also called as actual mean method and indirect method, which is called the assumed mean method. Actual mean, assumed mean, right? That formula is very simple. And not only that, rank correlation, also two categories are there. One is ranks are, all ranks are different, and second one is some ranks are equal, different ranks. When different ranks, they were equal ranks. These are the two categories under concurrent deviation method. Whatever the observations are there, whether it increased or decreased, based on that we are finding the relation. But it is all correlation. It is denoted by R only, right? R. But how? What about the direct method? Direct method formula is that is R equals to summation xy by under root summation x square into summation y square. That is the formula. Summation xy by under root summation x square into y square. What is the meaning of x and what is the meaning of y? X means what? Just we are taking the deviations from actual mean. First we have to calculate the means of two series. Given two series, we have to find the arithmetic mean. From that we have to calculate the x bar. So x equals to what? X minus x bar. Then y equals to what? Y minus y bar. Square equals to what? X square equals to x into x. Y square equals to y into y. This is we have to calculate. Or else another one more formula also for this is R equals to summation xy by n into sigma x into sigma y. N into sigma x into sigma y. X, that is x minus x bar, y minus y bar. But how to find the standard deviation x? Standard deviation x equals to what? Under root summation x square by n. Standard deviation y under root summation y square by n. These are the formulas we have to. First we have to calculate sigma x, sigma y. Then n, how many observations are given? That we have to take n into sigma x into sigma y. Okay, that is the whole formula summation x by n into sigma x by sigma y. And this is actual mean method. When we are applying the assumed mean method, that r equals to, we have to take any one of the values in the x series and y series, we have to take as assumption. One value will take, that is summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy by n whole divided by summation dx square minus dx by n whole square under root. Okay, this is summation dy square minus summation dy whole square by n. These are the formula for calculation of the assumed mean correlation. We have to use this one actual mean and this assumed mean. Okay, that is under the Carl-Pearson. Two methods are there. Then, okay, understood everyone? Yes. And second one is what? Rank correlation. Rank which is divided into two categories. When different ranks, when equal ranks. So formula will be the same only. These are the little bit same, but that's very simple in that whatever the observations are given in the X series, for example, any competition, for example, two judges are there.